Ever wonder if you're pricing your eBay items perfectly or missing out on hot resale opportunities? Keepa is your secret weapon, and today, we're diving into how to use it to dominate eBay. First, let's get Keepa installed. Head over to the Keepa website and find the browser extension. It's available for most major browsers once you click install. Follow the simple on-screen prompts to add it to your browser. This extension is what unlocks all of Keepa's magic directly on eBay. Now, let's see Keepa in action. On eBay, navigate to any product page on eBay. You'll notice a new section appearing just below the item description. €. That's your Keepa data. This chart shows the historical price of the product. This is where the real power lies. Look at the different colored lines. They represent different sales conditions like new, used, or refurbished. You can hover over points on the chart to see the exact price and date of past sales. This data is crucial for understanding market value. To find profitable opportunities, you'll want to pay attention to trends. Are prices consistently high? Or are there dips where you might snag a deal? You can also right-click on an eBay listing and select View Item History to get an even more detailed breakdown of sales date and see how often a product sells. Keepa also allows you to set price alerts if you're looking for a specific item at a certain price. Create a track for it. When the price drops to your desired level, Keepa will notify you, ensuring you never miss a bargain that can lead to a profitable resale. By consistently using Keepa to analyze pricing, understand demand, and set alerts, you'll be making smarter decisions, managing your inventory more effectively, and ultimately, boosting your profits on eBay. Happy selling!